What's up guys, Darren Dyk here with Beyond Slow Motion. It is a pleasure to see all of you guys again. So today we are doing something kind of fun. We're gonna be playing with fire, and I've got my good homie here, Sean O.
What's
up? Just call him Sean. We're gonna be lighting stuff on fire.
Woo! Nice.
Cardistry tricks on fire. This will be legit. Look forward to it. Let's get into this thing.
So we're setting up, getting ready to shoot some cool photos, and check. So it's this guy.
The new GoPro's pretty tight. It's like a jet engine.
God. That's crazy. So it has to be controlled from a computer?
Right, so it actually goes through an Ethernet port, like a Cat 5 cord. And I control everything from my computer. And basically, I have to trigger it and copy it all to the computer directly from a buffer on the camera.
Wow.
This will record 128 gigabytes worth of footage in 8 seconds.
128 gigabytes?
128 gigabytes in 8 seconds.
I can't even think about that without stressing out.
It's all 100% uncompressed raw video at 18,000 frames per second. So just imagine taking like 18,000 photos per second, raw, uncompressed. That's what this thing does.
That was nuts. So I'm about to try fire hands for the first time. Maybe last time, depends. It depends on how it goes. So yeah, what do we do?
So first of all, you get your hand wet with the soap water.
I guess I should do this.
Yeah, get it. So like basically you don't want any of the bubbles to pop on your dry skin.
Okay.
Right, and then you basically you press this in there and create some bubbles.
Okay.
So you do that real quick.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that should be enough.
Okay.
And I'm gonna step away and like get away from the danger zone.
Okay. Should that be right there?
No.
Okay. Okay.
And yeah, scoop it up and light it up.
Here we go, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Holy smokes. Oh jeez.
Isn't that crazy?
It was really cool how it landed on my pants.
Right, you're like, throw that onto my clothes.
Oh, wow.
Best place for it.
That's so cool.
Isn't that? It's such a wild experience. Isn't it the first time?
Yeah, it didn't really hurt that bad either.
No, but look at your arm now.
Oh, look at my arm. Holy smokes. Oh wow. I didn't like those hairs anyway. That's so cool, dude.
Yeah.
Wow, let's do this some more. Did we get it? Yo, that was sick.
Yeah.
That was so cool. That might have been it. That might have been the shot. Boys and girls? Probably just boys. Definitely just boys. That was the shot. See ya.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to go check out Sean's Instagram and his YouTube channel. He's a crazy talented editor and cardistry extraordinaire. You want to tell us about the giveaway we're doing?
Yeah, so we're doing a giveaway with this. If you guys want to win a deck of Orbit playing cards, there's going to be 2 winners actually. All you got to do is comment on this video here on YouTube and then head over to my Instagram and find the edit I make with this footage. Leave a comment there and we'll pick 1 winner from the Instagram comments and 1 winner from the YouTube comments, and you each will get a deck of Orbit playing cards.
Word. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Take care, and until next time, I'll see you soon.
Peace.